Okay, now we introduce the villa shape machine. This is the big handle, medium handle, and the small handle. This is the working handle for face and its tips. This is the power light. The next step, we install the machine. This is the face working handle, and we should match the marks on the machine and then match the hole inside and then press. When you adjust the position, we have to turn this button and then make sure it is tightened. Okay. Next working handle is the big handle. We should match the marks also and then match the hole and then turn. Make it tighten. It's okay. And then rest is the same operation. Match and then tie it. When the wastewater is full inside, we have to clean out the water. And we have two solutions for you. One is we just turn this bottle and then clean out and install well again is okay. And the second solution is you can use a towel below here, just this position, and then press. You will see that the wastewater will come out from the bottle. For this small working handle, when we want to remove this working head, first we have to press the gray button beside of the handle. Press first, okay? And then pull out. When you want to install well again, press also. Press first and then insert. And for this face working handle, when you want to replace the working head, just pull out. It's okay. And install well directly. It's okay. Okay, when we start the machine, we will enter into this operation screen. Now we choose English. You will see there are 4 working handles on the top of the screen, and you should choose which one you need. And for example, now we choose the first one. You can see that there are different operation positions. After you choose the operation area, we enter. You will see there are different parameters for option. Okay, you can see that this is the RF parameter, and this is the vacuum. This is the far infrared, and here is the suck and release time and roller speed, and here is the roller direction you can choose. Okay, when you set all the parameter, we just press start button. The working handle will work. Okay, for this button is control RF function. When this button turns red, it shows that the RF function is on. Okay, first one, we will use the small handle for operation. Okay, when you adjust all the parameters on the screen, just press the start button. Okay, now we can start the treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put some oil on the treatment part. Now we already put the oil on the back. Now we can start it. The next working working handle is the medium one. The same operation. After we adjust the parameters on the screen, just press start, and then start the treatment is okay.
进度。
Okay, the next function we will choose the big working handle. Okay, choose this function, and the position is back. And when you enter into here, we should adjust the parameter. And for the vacuum, normally we will start from 3 or 4. It's okay. If your client can accept, you can increase step by step. And put the working handle on the treatment part. And for this working handle, we also need to put the oil on the treatment part. The next working handle is the face working handle. And you can see that we can operate this working handle on your eye, around eye, and the face and the neck. Now we choose neck. Okay, when you enter into this screen, we should adjust the parameter for the RF, vacuum, and infrared, and all other information. After they are adjustable, press start is okay. You should operate like this.